The fog lights are installed and man, it looks so much better. Yes, sir. Clocking in.
So, what's my name?
Fidel, bro.
Fidero.
See, okay, guys, today we're going to be working on this Toyota Tundra, and we're going to be focusing on the front and the rear bumper. Now, there's three things that we want to accomplish. One, we want to see if we can dig some of these dents that are in the bumper, both in the front and in the back. I don't think it's that bad to where we have to buy a new one. So let's see if we can try to fix some of those dents. Two, we want to see if we can restore some of this chrome finish and make it shine like it's intended to. Three, we're going to install the fog lights that belong in this truck. Now, ultimately, all of this will help us to try to get the most amount of money out of this truck whenever we sell it. So, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, turn on those notifications. That way you can follow along in this process to see how much money we're able to make out of this truck. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we were able to take the front bumper out. It's right there. It wasn't too difficult, just several bolts that were very strong, and you can see the plastic part too. All we had to do was take off the headlights, those little fender panels, covers, and then just this plastic cover on top, and we were able to get free from getting all the bolts that were just connected all around this frame right here, and it just popped right out. So now we're going to work on seeing if we can buff it better, try to work on some of the hits that are here, or some of the dents that are here. We'll try to hit them back, and then we'll try our best to try to make it shine. You know, like I said, it's a used truck. I don't want to have to buy a new front bumper. I think this is good enough. It does the job, but we just want to make it look better so, you know, the next owner can appreciate it a little bit more. And also, while we're here, we're going to go ahead and install the fog lights, which, if you can see here, it already has the connections right here. I was looking at the instructions, and it comes to the connectors, and on the inside of the truck, it comes with the ability to be able to turn on the fog lights, as you can see right here. I don't know if you can get a better angle right here. So you can just turn them on and off. So all we have to do, according to those instructions, is just plug them in here, which it's a little bent here, so we're just gonna have to hammer this out a little bit. That way it fits better. As you can see, we're able to move it. So anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and try to get some of the dents out and get it nice and shiny. So I've been hitting it a little bit with the sledgehammer, and I've been using a piece of wood so it doesn't damage it that much. And it looks like it's come out now. Obviously, unfortunately, there's some, you can see that, but let's see if maybe with the shine it'll go away. Alright guys, so we did our best to try to get all the dents out that we could, and as you can see, it's not a perfect job, but it is a used bumper, and we're just trying to get it as best as we can do it. What we're going to do now is try to get some of that really fine steel wool. I don't have any with me, but I'm going to go to the store to buy some, and then I'm just going to go over it with a little bit of water and try to clean it up as best as I can. So let's go ahead and do that. There you have it, guys. I went ahead and went over it with some steel wool, a very fine one. It was this one actually, and it worked out very, very good. As you can see there, I put some water over it. All I have to do now is just polish it, but I'm going to do that once it's mounted. So what I'm going to do next is mount it and go ahead and polish it, and then I'll try to install the fog lights. Alright guys, so we hit it with that Mother's chrome polish, and wow, it looks so much better. Obviously you can still see the dents in some areas, but man, it looks shiny. It looks really good. I mean, the whole truck, the whole front end looks really good. So I'd say that was a success. There you go, there's the wide angle. That's how the truck is looking like now. It's looking really good. All we have to do now is the fog lights, and I'm going to take care of that tail end as well. But wow. There you go, guys. The fog lights are installed, and man, it looks so much better. Look at that. Wow. And that's what they look like when they're on, man. They look really good. I'm gonna try to get some LED lights at some point. Look at that. Yeah, I'll have to order LED for sure. Wow. This looks so much better.